Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to look on some other commands in the motions. Okay, last time we were looking at point in direction, right? So now we have another thing that is point towards mouse pointer, right? So we can see only one option here. Some of the options are added when we add some adds on in it. We are going to see that later on. For now, it is going to point towards the mouse pointer. So if I am going to click on this, okay, I have to select all around if I want to use something like that. So if I am going to, wherever my mouse is moving, it is going to point in that direction. And you can see live here as well, and you can see the direction of this mouse as well. Okay, now next we have change x by 10. So first of all, I am just going to do it 90-degree. Okay, and I want it to stay forward. Change x by 10. So it is moving forward. If I am doing it change x by minus 10, it will be going backwards. So the direction from left to right is called x. This is the x direction, and there are x position. We are going to have a special chapter for that. So we from left to right it is x. So if I am changing x by minus 10, it is going backward, and if it is plus 10 or simple 10, it is going to be going forward. There is another thing here, that is change y. Okay, y position is from top to bottom. From top to bottom, the position is called y position. Okay, if I am going to use change y by 10, this means it is going up, and if I am going to do it minus 10, it is going to be coming down. It is moving downwards, and you can see the x and y positions change here as well, right? As I am using these both two, I can use them together. Okay, and if it is 10, so that's how we can make our robot move. You can see the changes in x and y position. I am going to bring it to 0, and let's see what happens. Okay, so that's how we change the position of our robot, x positions and y positions. Along with that, we have set x2 and set y2. Okay, set x to 50. If I am going to write here 0 and this one as well 0, it is going in the center of the board of my playground, and the x position is 0 here. My y is still 50. So if I am going to click on set y to 0, it is coming in the center of the board. Okay, from here I can write here, let's say 100 and 100. Okay, so whenever, let's say whenever my game starts, I want my robot to go to center of the board. I am just going to put these commands, and it is going to become in the center of the board. Changing x by 10 means moving just 10 steps, but setting x to some specific position, it will just take this robot directly there without changing any positions, any steps by 10 or 20 or 100. Let's see what else we have got here. On edge if okay, if on edge bounce. Okay, if on edge bounce means if my robot is moving continuously, right? Sorry, I can use it with x y position as well. When it is going to touch the border, it is going to turn around. Okay, and I have to choose this one. Okay, all right. If it on the edge, it just bounces and goes back, right? From here I'm going to do it 90-degree again. Okay, change y by, and it is bouncing and just going in the other direction. So from here, let's say if I have -10, we are going to write these all things in, okay, so it bounces when it is on the edge. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.